Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw time entries from Harvest using reconciliation checklist, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw time entries from Harvest using the reconciliation checklist, first, log in to your Harvest account. Once logged in, navigate to the time section from the main dashboard. Click on Timesheets to view all recorded time entries. Select the date range for which you want to withdraw time entries. Review the timesheet entries for accuracy and completeness. Use the filters to narrow down the search if needed. Now, locate the reconciliation checklist feature within the timesheet section. Open the checklist to see any discrepancies or issues flagged. Make any necessary adjustments to your time entries directly from the checklist. Confirm that all entries are accurate and reflect the work completed. Once reviewed, proceed to select the entries you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw or similar option available for the selected entries. A confirmation prompt may appear. Verify your choice to withdraw the entries. After withdrawing, you will receive a notification of successful withdrawal. Check the withdrawn status on the timesheet to ensure everything is correct. Finally, log out of your Harvest account when you are done. This completes the process of withdrawing time entries using the reconciliation checklist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.